position until January 2021 when he retired. And after retirement, Your Excellency, he became the Nigerian High Commissioner to Ghana. He held the fort there between 2021 and October 2023. Your Excellency, Vice Admiral Ibas is here today to take his oath of office to take on the job that you have assigned. At this point, I would like to invite him to stand and come forward.
Vice Admiral retired Ibok-Ete Ibas, do solemnly swear, affirm that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Federal Republic of Nigeria, that I will preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. So help me God. I, Vice Admiral retired Ibok-Ete Ibas, do solemnly swear and affirm that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Federal Republic of Nigeria, that as Administrator of Rivers State, I will discharge my duties to the best of my ability, faithfully and in accordance with the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria and the law, and always in the interest of the sovereignty, integrity, solidarity, well-being, and prosperity of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, that I will strive to preserve the fundamental objectives of directive principles of state policy contained in the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, that I will exercise the authority vested in me as administrator so as not to impede or prejudice the authority lawfully vested in the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, and so as not to endanger the continuance of Federal Government of Nigeria, that I will not allow my personal interest to influence my official conduct or my official decisions, that I will, to the best of my ability, preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, that I will abide by the Code of Conduct contained in the 5th Schedule of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, that in all circumstances I will do right to all manner of people according to law, without fear or favor, affection or ill will, that I will not directly or indirectly communicate or reveal to any person any matter which shall be brought under my consideration or shall become known to me as Administrator of Rivers State, except as may be required for the discharge of my duties as Administrator, and that I will devote myself to the service and well-being of the people of Nigeria. So help me God.
Amen.
Yes.
First of all, I think we know the circumstances that led to where we are here, and Mr. President made it very clear in his broadcast. And if the main issue is that of maintaining law and order in the state, I think for any meaningful activities to take place in Rivers State, that is the utmost task that I have, to work together with all other stakeholders to ensure that we bring peace, order, and security and stability to the people and government of Rivers State and Nigeria at large.